Attenzione, annuncio squalifica, l'atleta Adelaide Toso è stata squalificata per nuotata irregolare. Sono i blocchi intanto per la prima serie: Arianna Rado Idros in 1, Carlotta Tassotti Team Veneto in 2, Arianna Luci Fondazione Bentegodi in 3. In corsia 4 la pluricampionessa italiana giovanile nonché nazionale giovanile Francesca Fresia, Italia. Corsia 5 è stata vicecampionessa italiana giovanile Elisa Vidal, Team Veneto. In corsia 6 Giulia Benvenuti Bentegodi, in 7 Fiammetta Artioli Leo Sport, in 8 Chiara Visintin Idros.
Every time I hit the club, I take my money, I spend it up, standing on the couch, just showing love. Don't give a damn, don't give a fuck. Floating, yeah, take me away. High up in the clouds, never coming down. Somewhere out of space, never on the ground. Always turning up, never turning down. Another 100 grams from as I turn around. Take me up to where I wanna be. Tired as fuck, but we don't wanna sleep. Mary Jane and them paper planes. Pour a shot, you better take this drink. Y'all already know what it is, man. Soon as we get enough, we try to break the meter.
Gaia Gandolfi